Whoa.
High five. Leave me hanging. High five.
Whoa, what a drive.
Yeah.
Crazy. So I got us 2 nights at this little parking lot. We have electricity, just gotta plug it in. We don't have like a real system for this, so it's just gonna come like through your window and then down into our power plant, and then we'll plug all of our electronics into there so we can keep working now that our battery is dead.
Sweet. How much was it?
€3.
A night?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, sweet.
Yeah, and there's a very nice bar over there if we want to break our 40-day alcohol detox.
Oh man. Okay, so you're coming in this way?
Yeah. Ba-da-dum.
Hi.
Hello. I'll turn our gas on too so you can make us oatmeal.
Oh yeah. You did a long drive.
Yeah, that was like 3 hours. And it was crazy conditions.
Yeah.
Pouring rain. And we went over some huge mountains.
Tunnels, fires.
Tunnels, fires.
Alright, so you get the cord? Yeah. I'll open the window. Hi.
Here comes electricity.
Oh, sweet. So where do you want me to put it?
You can just bring it and put it on the bed now, but it needs to go under the bed. Into our
Watch out my window.
power station. Alright, so this just goes down here into a power strip, which you're not going to be able to see.
So will this work for the sink or no?
No. Our sink is broken.
No.
Well, this
It's
sink
not
is
broken, but
yeah.
it's not wired.
Yeah, our sink is not going to work anymore because we don't have any more battery power.
So this is going where?
Down to like our big outlet so we can at least charge our phones and stuff, like, and the computers and...
So it's just like a power strip.
Yeah.
So fridge is off, sink is off.
Yeah, we lost the fridge, we lost the sink. That's it.
Yeah. Woo! We're in business.
Alright, we got some electricity at least. I'm very sad about this battery.
Oh. We need to figure out that like thing that we could charge it from like a power strip.
I know. I'm gonna Google that right now.
Oh. Other question, do they have showers here?
I don't think so. They have bathrooms and lots of beer.
Lulu. Oh.
It's that kind of day.
Oh.
I'm very sad about this battery.
You work so hard.
Yeah. It just like, it works fine, and then when it gets low, it's like, it doesn't, like last night it was like still half full, and then somehow it's empty in the morning, like dangerously empty, and it's like,
Doesn't make sense.
it doesn't make sense. Nothing was plugged into it. It's like, I don't know what's going on.
Well, I think you're doing a great job.
Thanks.
I'm excited to be in the Duro Valley with you.
Yeah,
It's beautiful.
it is. I might go swim in the river later.
Oh, that would be so fun.
Just have to Google if it's clean.
It's like worse than not showering.
Yeah.
Maybe we can take a boat cruise.
Today?
No, not today. Tomorrow?
Not today. Let's eat oatmeal.
Yeah, I make oatmeal.
Oh, thank you. Is it time for oatmeal?
It is, and the sun came out. So we can go outside and draw still.
We were talking about the law of attraction, and then...
The sun came out. Yeah. I just want to attract all of the good things into our life, Lou. It feels like it's happening.
I think so.
Okay. What?
Your pouring technique.
I was like debating how much water to put in. And then I was like, I'm just going to fill the whole thing up.
This is a very exciting day now.
You just have to be patient for 5 more minutes. Oops. I am excited. One of the things I'm excited about going home for Thanksgiving is we can have maple syrup. from New England. Da-da-da!
What? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mush.
Simple band food. It's like, it's all we got.
What we got?
It does the job. Best is when you get a bite with a banana. Okay.
Nice.
I think it's done. Don't look at that. Went out of the lines. Got too carried away coloring that. Halfway there. Definitely the coolest sketchbook I've ever had.